I was missing a sock. The left one. I really had no idea where it was. I'd looked in the washing machine, inside shoes, everywhere. Even in the fridge. It's not unusual. I mean, people lose socks all the time. But one missing sock is not strange. Not like, say, missing half the universe. Which is what happened 20 years ago when scientists realised that half the normal matter in the universe was missing. That must have been a bit of a shock. Everything that we can see or observe, planets, stars, me, you, the screen you're watching this on, is normal matter, or baryonic matter, made from protons and neutrons, and it makes up about 5% of the universe. The rest, the other 95%, is dark matter and dark energy, but, let's forget about that for now. That's like the rest of the clothes, the shirts, the pants, etc. Scientists knew from measurements of the Big Bang how much normal matter should be in the universe, but they could only find half of it. The other half? Couldn't find it. They didn't know where it was. That's a lot of stuff to go missing. Imagine if suddenly all the left socks in the world disappeared. It'd be a big deal. I don't know how many socks there are in the world. Probably millions. And I'm pretty sure there would be mass panic if they all mysteriously went missing and no one could find them. Well, I would know how many there should be, because there would be millions of right socks without their partner. Luckily, we found the missing bit of the universe last year, in 2019. A 20-year search, which is a pretty epic game of hide and seek. Turns out, these bits spread themselves out in space, a little here, a little there, or hid in gas clouds. Sneaky. My favourite place to hide as a kid was in the laundry basket. They found the universe using a giant radio telescope called ASCAP, or Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, that sits in the Murchison region of Western Australia. The telescope collects data on fast radio bursts, or FRBs. These bursts come from outside our galaxy. We don't really know what causes them, but in the millisecond they last, they outshine everything but our sun. Through empty space, the wavelengths in these bursts travel at the same speed, but when they travel through missing matter, they move at different speeds, and the telescope can detect these differences and boom! Missing matter found. I bet Sherlock Holmes couldn't have done that. I'm thinking maybe scientists could build some kind of machine to detect missing socks. Something that detects foot odour. The sock odour detector. Or SOD. I know missing socks are maybe not as important as the universe, but socks have gone missing for well over 100 years now, so it's probably time someone put their mind to it. I found mine eventually. It was there all along, inside the other sock. I hadn't thought of that. Sometimes you just need to know where to look.
So we can extrapolate. I mean, there's 8 billion people on the planet. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4...